Hello everyone, this is Melissa at Marvel Math, and I wanted to show you some quick and easy ways that you can differentiate Google Forms. So these tips are going to work on any Google form you have. I have here a third grade place value review set of task cards just to show you some ideas. So this particular set has 24 task cards. You may not want to have students complete all 24 in one sitting. You might want to break them up into 2 groups of 12 or into 4 groups of 6. So let me show you how you can do that. So you're going to go over here to these 3 little dots, and when I hover over it, it says More. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to click Make a Copy. So let's title this one Third Grade Place Value Review Set 1. So I think what I'm going to do on this set is I'm going to keep the first 6 task cards, and I'm going to delete the rest. All right, so let me show you how to do that. So let's scroll down to number 7. And I'm going to click on that, and then you can see all sorts of controls pop up. And I'm going to go down to the trash can where it says delete, click it, and now it's gone. So now I'm on number 8, I'm going to delete that one, and so on. So this is a really quick process. It's pretty fast to delete all of those different problems. All right, so that's one thing that you can do. Now we can go back to our original over here, and I can make another copy. And let's say that we want to do the next set, and we want to keep problems 7 through 12. So this one would be set 2. So we can delete 1 through 6. All right, so now my first question is number 7. So you can even change the numbers if you'd like. So I can click over here, and I could change this to number 1. I like leaving them as the original number. That way I know from the original which numbers I've assigned to students and which I haven't. But it's totally up to you, of course, what you do. So let me show you another way that you can differentiate. So let's just say that you went through and you made 4 different sets. So you had place value review set number 1, that was questions 1 through 6. Set 2 was 7 through 12. Set 3, and so on, right? So you have your 4 sets. And now let's say you want to make a copy and you want to differentiate for students that need to have a reduced number of answer choices. So you could go over here, make another copy. So I want to make a copy of this particular set. So I'm going to leave set 2. And one thing that I suggest is using an asterisk and adding it at the end to show that it is a modified copy. That way you know, but students don't know that you've modified a copy for them. If we want to reduce the number of answer choices, you're just going to click on the problem. You'll see a green check mark that pops up next to the correct answer. So of course don't eliminate that one. And then you can eliminate answer choices. You can also change the answer choices there. So that is another way that you can differentiate for students. You can reduce the number of problems and you can reduce the number of answer choices. Hopefully that helps you so that you can create Google Forms that support the diverse needs of the students in your class.